Have you ever wondered why some people's lipstick just looks perfect? It's not always about the brand or the color. Often, the secret lies in something much simpler: healthy, moisturized lips. And the best time to achieve that is while you sleep. The practice of overnight lip care isn't a new trend invented by beauty gurus. It actually has roots stretching back through history, evolving alongside our understanding of skincare and makeup. Let's take a little trip back in time. In ancient Egypt, both men and women used lip color. They created it from red ochre mixed with resin or beeswax. But they also knew that the harsh desert climate could be brutal on their lips. So they used natural oils and fats like castor oil and animal fats to protect and soften them. They'd apply a thick layer before bed, allowing the ingredients to work their magic overnight, creating a smooth canvas for their vibrant lip colors the next day. This wasn't just about beauty. It was practical skincare. Fast forward to ancient Greece and Rome, the ideal of beauty shifted towards a more natural look. While heavy makeup wasn't as common, they cherished soft, healthy-looking skin and lips. They used olive oil and beeswax, ingredients still popular in lip balms today. They understood that a nightly ritual of moisturizing their lips prevented cracking and kept them looking plump and youthful. This simple act helped their features appear naturally harmonious and well cared for, a key aspect of their beauty standards. During the European Renaissance, a pale complexion with a hint of color on the cheeks and lips was highly fashionable. Women would use concoctions made from flowers and herbs to tint their lips. But to ensure the color applied evenly and didn't settle into fine lines, the lips had to be smooth. They created balms from beeswax and floral essences, which they'd apply at night. This nightly treatment was their secret weapon for achieving that flawless, just bitten look that perfectly complemented the artistic and delicate makeup styles of the era. The Victorian era brought a more complex relationship with makeup. Overt cosmetics were often frowned upon, associated with actresses and women of ill repute. So subtlety was key. Women aimed for a natural-looking flush. They would bite their lips to make them appear redder, but this could cause damage. To counteract this, they relied heavily on clear, nourishing balms. Applying a simple salve of petroleum jelly or lanolin at night became a common practice. This ensured their lips were naturally rosy and healthy-looking in the morning, fitting the demure and modest beauty ideals of the time without the need for obvious color. Now, let's jump to the 20th century, the golden age of Hollywood. This is where the connection between lip care and makeup artistry becomes undeniable. Think of the iconic bold red lips of stars like Marilyn Monroe. Makeup artists knew that for a lipstick to look sharp, defined, and last for hours under hot studio lights, the lips underneath had to be in perfect condition. They would prep the star's lips meticulously, often including an overnight moisturizing treatment as part of their routine. A thick layer of cold cream or a specialized balm applied the night before a big shoot would exfoliate and hydrate. erasing any flakes or lines. This ensured that the lipstick glided on like silk, and the final look was absolutely seamless and camera-ready. The shape of the lip could be perfectly defined, complementing the star's unique facial structure, whether it was to create a sharp Cupid's bow or a fuller pout. So, how does this history lesson apply to you today? It's simple. Your face has a unique structure, a unique harmony of features. Whether you have high cheekbones, a strong jawline, or soft, rounded features, your lips play a crucial role in balancing your overall look. When your lips are dry, flaky, or chapped, they can disrupt that harmony. Lipstick can look patchy, lip liner can skip, and the overall effect can draw attention to the texture rather than the beautiful shape and color. By adopting the age-old practice of moisturizing your lips overnight, you're not just treating dryness, you're prepping your canvas. When you wake up, your lips are plump, hydrated, and smooth. This smooth surface allows for a flawless makeup application. Your lip liner will glide on effortlessly, allowing you to define or even slightly reshape your lips to better complement your face shape. Your lipstick will apply evenly with a richer color payoff, and it will last longer throughout the day. A well-defined, beautifully colored lip can balance a strong jaw, accentuate your smile, and tie your whole makeup look together, making your features pop in the most flattering way. It doesn't have to be complicated. Find a good quality lip mask, a thick balm, or even a natural oil you like. Make it the last step of your skincare routine every night. Gently apply a generous layer and let it work while you rest. It's a simple, timeless secret that has been helping people look and feel their best for centuries. By honoring this practice, you reconnecting with a long history of beauty, wisdom, and giving your makeup the best possible foundation for success. Thanks for watching.